Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest in home entertainment tech. Today, we're diving into a highly requested review of a budget-friendly automatic turntable that promises big sound without breaking the bank. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk design. The AT-LP70X sports a sleek, rectangular shape that's a departure from its predecessor, the LP60X. It's available in a few color options to match your setup. The build quality, while mostly plastic, feels sturdy and well made for the price point. Moving on to features, this turntable offers automatic operation. Press a button, and your record starts playing, with the tone arm returning gracefully at the end. It supports both 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute speeds, and includes a switchable built-in preamp for flexibility in your audio setup. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: sound quality. The AT-LP70X delivers a noticeable improvement over its predecessor. The upgraded tone arm and cartridge setup offer richer, clearer sound with better bass response and more detailed highs. Whether you're into rock, hip-hop, or jazz, the sound reproduction here is impressive for its price range. I've also tested this against some competitors like the Monolith by Monoprice, and the results were intriguing. While the Monolith had its strengths, the AT-LP70X stood out with its user-friendly interface and automatic features, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned vinyl enthusiasts alike. In terms of user experience, setting up and using the AT-LP70X was a breeze. The controls are intuitive, and the overall operation felt smooth and reliable. Whether you're new to vinyl or looking to upgrade, this turntable offers fantastic value for its price. So, should you consider adding it to your setup? Wrapping things up, the Audio-Technica AT-LP70X impresses with its blend of performance, ease of use, and affordability. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly turntable that doesn't compromise on sound quality, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, keep spinning those records.